How to change lens on your Nikon camera. Press this button and rotate your lens clockwise till these two white dots align. Your lens will come out. Take the other lens, put the back cap on this lens. Now align this point with the point on your camera and just rotate it anti-clockwise. You will hear a click sound. Now it is ready to go. This is the lens cap. Just press and hold both the ends. It will come out. After you have used the camera, again press this to keep it on top. There is no need to rotate it. Now leave it. It will attach itself. Always keep one of your lens attached to your camera, otherwise the mirror might get dirty. And there is a proper way to change lenses. Change your lens properly on the go. Press your camera against your body like this. Press this button here. Rotate the lens clockwise. Take the other lens. This time there is no need to press the button and rotate it anti-clockwise. Now you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like this video. Thank you.